The number 31 has blank tens and blank ones. So let's write the number 31. So where is our ones place? Our ones place is always all the way to the right. So we have one ones. And how many tens do we have? We have our tens place always right next to the ones place to the left. So we have 3 tens. So the number 31 has 3 tens and 1 ones. We can also look at a visual example. So let's look at some bikes. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bikes in each row here. So how many groups of 10 do we have? So here we have 1, 2, 3. So we have our 3 tens, or 30. And then here we have just 1 ones. So we have 30 plus 1, 31, so 3 tens and 1 ones.